Hey guys, it's Remo, and are you interested in creating wealth through real estate? Well, one of the greatest tools I think in the last, few decades has been this new concept or this idea of ADUs, accessory dwelling units. Now that allows you to take a single family resident home and build another unit that could have a separate address, separate utilities, and really be a rental stream for you. So it could help offset your current mortgage, or if it's on a rental property, help obviously increase the rental income. So if you're interested in learning the top 10 mistakes, I probably made a lot more, we go through those. And really, again, this is one of those things you have to get familiarized with, because again, if you're interested in creating wealth, real wealth through real estate, either through cash flow that happens every single month by having that tenant, or the appreciation of adding obviously additional usable space on your property, again, whether it's your home or a rental, it's really an important tool to help create that wealth. So again, if you're interested, we put together a workshop, the mistakes I've made. Personally, I've been involved in building, I think we have our number 7 or so. So this is real life example. This is not theory. This is not something from the internet. This is, I made mistakes that cost a lot of money, and I'm teaching them to you so you can help. So it reduces the number of mistakes you make, so we can all win together. So again, there's no cost. We don't get anything. If you build, you're not selling. So that's where we would eventually win. But in the short term, what we want to do is help others create wealth. So if you're interested in learning about ADUs and what are they all cracked up, and is it something for you, please join us. We put together a workshop, I think every 4 to 6 weeks. So check out the link. I'm sure it'll be somewhere around here for the next workshop, and we'll see you on there. All the best, and I will look forward to helping you create wealth in the future. Bye.